Have you ever wondered how to find tranquility in a world brimming with chaos and stress? As a Gen X man, you've weathered the tides of change, from the analog days of your youth to the ultra-connected digital age. It's easy to feel unmoored, caught between demands that pull you in every direction. The journey to serenity isn't about escaping your responsibilities, but integrating them into a life that feels authentically balanced. Today, we'll explore how you can rediscover peace amidst this whirlwind. The world has changed dramatically since you first entered adulthood. The pace of life has accelerated, technologies once unimagined are now indispensable, and societal expectations have shifted. These are not merely external changes, but forces that seep into your inner world, often upsetting the equilibrium you once felt. The pressure to succeed, provide, and adapt takes its toll, leaving little room for introspection or rest. Yet in this turmoil lies an opportunity to pause, to reevaluate, and to return to what truly matters. Your generation, Gen X, carries a unique set of experiences that shape how you navigate modern life. You were raised during an era of transformation. The birth of the personal computer, the rise of the internet, shifts in cultural norms. These experiences give you a distinct perspective, one that balances skepticism with practicality, independence with community. This is your wisdom. It offers a roadmap to finding harmony, a guide in turning life's noise into a symphony of balanced living. Let's explore practical strategies to reclaim this peace. Start by giving yourself permission to slow down. It sounds simple, but can be revolutionary. Carve out time for reflection, for disengagement from the constant barrage of information. Establish boundaries that protect your mental space, allowing room for creativity and rest. Reconnect with old hobbies or interests that once brought you joy. Such actions are not indulgences. They are necessities for a balanced life. Consider the stories of those who have successfully navigated this path. Take John, a corporate executive turned nature enthusiast. Faced with burnout, he sought simplicity and found solace in hiking. By embracing the quiet of the outdoors, he reconnected with himself, learning to balance his professional ambitions with his personal peace. Or David, who rediscovered his love for music, dedicating time each week to play the guitar. These stories are not just anecdotes. They're testimonies to what's possible when you prioritize balance. As you move forward, know that the path to inner peace is not linear, but iterative. It's about making small adjustments, recognizing when you're off course, and gently guiding yourself back. This journey requires patience and kindness toward yourself. Wisdom grows through reflection, not perfection. Embrace the lessons from your past without allowing them to weigh you down. Remember, the quest for serenity is about confidence in your chosen path. Trust in the wisdom you've gathered over the years. It's about seeing challenges as opportunities for growth rather than obstacles. Every step you take towards balance is a step towards living with greater intention and peace. Take a deep breath, trust the process, and begin with one small change. In time, these will add up, crafting a life that feels both serene and fulfilling. Your journey towards rediscovering balance is uniquely yours, but shared by many. Commit today to taking that first step, however small. Reflect on the wisdom embedded in your life experiences and use it as a compass. Prioritize moments of calm, engage with your passions, and cherish connections that enrich your life. Each choice is a brushstroke in the masterpiece of your life. You have the power to create a reality that resonates with peace and purpose.